Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy here and I've got a bit of happy mail. Now it's not massive, I didn't think they'd send me much but I'm hoping it's some nice new yarn that I want to look at with a view to maybe stocking it in my shop, which is www.hobbyrocks.co.uk. There's also, looks like a folder in here. So this is from Signet. Now I noticed a little while ago that they had some really nice new yarns. They send me like, it's hard to get into. I did have some scissors. Oh, got these tiny scissors, but we'll have a go. While I'm doing that, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be informed when new videos pop up. So yeah, they send me emails because I'm a shop, and they, you know, send me stuff to say they've got new yarns coming out, and so I asked them if they would pop me a few in the post. So here's my compliment slip from them. Kind regards. Let's have a look and see what this folder's all about. It's actually Signet Yarns Limited. So what we got in here? Current price list. Oh, and they're doing shade, not cards, but pages. So if I wanted to have a look, I've got the whole kind of range of that yarn, and then there's some ones that show some patterns that go along with the yarns for all the yarns they do. That's kind of cool. Now I used to get those sent to me fairly regularly from people like Serdar and the like, but I've never had one from them. So they've only sent me 2 balls. I was hoping they'd send me maybe a few balls of each colour, you know, not I don't mean that, I mean a ball of each colour, or say 3 of the colour that they do, but I've got 1 of each of the ones I've asked for. Maybe I should have asked for more varieties, I don't know, but they are absolutely gorgeous. Now let's start with this one. This is called Sprinkles Pop Chunky, and I really like it. I mean, they do a lot of different colours. See if we can find it in the book, shall we? Might be a bit hard. Has it got that? We've got a necklight on, so I should be able to find it. Sprinkles Pop. Doesn't tell me what page that'll be, but maybe it's towards the end. Look at that. Got straight away. So this is the Sprinkles Pop Chunky page, and these are all the different colours. I don't know if you can see it too well. All the different colours that they do. And what one have they sent me? This one? Yeah, so I was hoping they might send maybe this one, and this one. You know what I mean? A little bit of a variety of them. So let's see what it says. Sprinkles Pop is a fun printed chunky yarn with 2 ends cleverly twisted together to create a tweedy self-striping effect. With soft colour changes throughout, the stripes give fancy colour results in your creations. Oh, gives fancy colour results in your creations. Available in 8 bright colours. Lends itself well to bulky quick knits and crochets. Right, okay. So it is a 100-gram ball, 160 metres, 174 yards. Machine washable. Knits to all chunkies. Okay, so, wow. I like it, I have to say. This neckline, it's got a mind of its own. I really like this. This is a really nice one. It's got some real deep colours in there, as well as some kind of light ones. That'd be nice, wouldn't it, to see what that kind of works up like, don't you think? So that is the Sprinkles Pop Chunky, and this one's called Tutti Frutti. Tutti Frutti. Oh, really? So yeah, nice colours. Look at that. Pretty. I mean, I like that one. I will probably be getting that. So this one's a new one as well that I'm going to show you next. Luck would have it, I've found the page for that one straight away as well. And this one is, I think, a DK weight by the looks of it. Let's see. It's called Colour Rush. Colour Rush DK, which is that one. Colour Rush DK, and it's pretty. It is. Wow, look at that. Now, you know, I've got a thing about Hayfield Spirit and that Papatia, which I've got both in my shop, and they've got these spectacular colours. But this one seems to have amalgamated all of those spectacular colours that I really like in one yarn. Really like this. So let's have a look what we got here. This is called Sunburst, and it is, oh heavens, probably easier to read it, isn't it, on the page because it's bigger. That's quite a small kind of yarn band. So here we go. Colour Rush DK is a beautiful contrasting premium acrylic that is ideal for accessories, homewares and eye-catching clothing, creating a stunning defined stripe effect when knitted up or crocheted. This yarn is versatile and fully machine washable. Colour Rush is your perfect self-striping yarn that comes in an array of bright and neutral colours, available in 8 shades with a generous meterage of 360 metres. So it's a 100-gram ball and it's machine washable. Okay, so let's get rid of the book because that's all she wrote, although they wrote anyway. Itchy nose. Okay, so like I said, this one's Sunburst, but isn't it gorgeous? I really, really like this one. Look at those colours. They're just dreamy. So really, even though there's only 2 balls in here, I like what I see. And I would have liked them to have sent me a few, you know, different colours so that I could see what the rest of the range looks like. But wow, beautiful, beautiful yarn. That is really quite solid, isn't it? 360 metres, that's pretty good. And this one is a chunky, which over across the pond is a bulky 5. And very, very nice. So I've got to say, you can expect to see this in my shop, Hobby Rocks, very, very soon. It's unusual, really. Whenever they've sent me samples in the past, I usually maybe buy one of them. But I like both of these. So, yeah. Definitely going to be getting these. Wow. What would you make with this? And what would you make with this? I think this would look lovely as a hat and scarf set for the winter. I don't know really how many balls I'd need for that, but I will get some more. I will get quite a few, and I'll get the other colours and I'll bring them to you and so you can see them. But I think that is beautiful. Really like that one. That's really up my street, isn't it, for all the ones that I've had so far. And as the strand is actually quite a good thickness. That's not a really thin DK. That's really good. Let's have a look at the strand for the chunky or bulky 5. Nice. I like it, really do. I love all the colours in there. Got some really rich colours like oranges and purples, and then the lighter ones. You know, once Creative Grandma sent me some Premier yarn. Muir Woods, I think it was. And I really liked it. And it was very similar in the colours and the way it was put together. But it was a Aran 4-weight, whereas this is a chunky. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you like them because, well, you're going to see them soon when I make an order. I don't think I can resist it, to be honest with you. Aren't they adorable? Thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. See you soon.